wasted time. Let's waste some time together.
Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is like the fucking fifth time I'm recording this for whatever reason. My smartphone kept on crashing, so I'm using my old smartphone again. Which I do apologize, the bad audio quality, as well as maybe the lighting quality. I haven't done my hair, sorry. I've been sick the whole week, so I didn't do my hair, I didn't shave, you can see this. And yes, I'm not getting a full beard, yes, I'm a beta male, all that shit. But still got arms like fucking Iron Man. Anyways, so today's video is going to be about CLANGEAR. CLANGEAR. More specific, I'm going to talk about two cases of people not understanding what CLANGEAR is. So first off, I'm smoking a factory overrun cigar, which these sticks are really great. This is like a Davidoff blend from the Davidoff factory, but they actually sell these cheaper because it's not Davidoff branded. So the company called Cigar World, which for European market, they're the #1 cigar sellers ever. Like they would just go to the factory and basically grab the leftover stogies or too many produced stogies and just pack them into boxes for you and sell them for cheap. So you can get stogies like this, and that's been like a fat one like this one. Or even a Churchill Toro like this one. From a format of this, Toro Churchill-esque. And this is like a 6x60 stick, and you can buy this for as cheap as $5, which for a stick with Davidoff quality from the Davidoff factory is insane. Normally Davidoff would cost it $20. So this stogie has been burning a little bit awkward, so let me fix that right now with my fucking lightsaber. It's a fucking lightsaber, dude. So yeah, just fix that cigar. So we can start the video now. Okay, CLANGEAR. First off, if you are in Concordia, all the gear that is on your tune is CLANGEAR. And I'm not speaking the Reaper ring or your Runic rings or your Lux rings or whatever. I'm not your Reaver rings, none of that bullshit. I'm speaking CLANGEAR, like endgame gear. So what is CLANGEAR? You should have read the rules if you join Concordia and you don't know what it is. Anyway, so these two stories are going to be talking about people that treated our clan bank like it was an ATM and eventually got banned for this. Because they sold the gear for real life money. Not smart, not a smart move. One of the most stupid things you can do, actually. So anyways, the #1 problem with the topic CLANGEAR is people don't like to hear it. Why don't they like to hear it? Because CLANGEAR means it's not your gear. And a lot of people coming from rolling servers or DKP servers, they don't understand what a CLANGEAR system is. But it's actually one of the most efficient and most coolest systems out there. For me personally, it took a while to understand that. Like 3 to 4 months when I joined, and I've been on Concordia on Dawn, like I've never been any other clan. I joined at level 1. I've been here for 2 years now. I'm pushing a little bit over 2 years, I think. Anyways, so I've been here for a long time, and it took me like 3 to 4 months to understand how CLANGEAR works. Because I came from Epona, where you can just buy every gear yourself, and you don't need a clan to provide you with that gear. So CLANGEAR means, and this is once again the #1 rule in Concordia, is we do not buy or sell any gear. CLANGEAR is when the bankers and the clan generals and whoever is in the leading of the clan gives you the trust level and they say, yo, this guy deserves an Imperial Bloodthorn Emmy, for example. Usually you'd be in the clan for like quite a while if you get items like that. And speaking of quite a while, 2 months and even more and stuff, and you have to have like a lot of attendance points as well to show you present and that you work for the clan, which leads back to my old video where I said, are you ready to work for the clan? Which is one of the most important factors, because it is so important, because actually, if nobody works, we cannot gear anybody, okay? And people always think in their crazy heads that we got like tons of like Imperial and Godly drops on the banks, nobody's using them. That's bullshit. The most of these drops are used on players. Which is why if you join Concordia, we cannot give you all the Godly gear day 1 of you joining. It doesn't work like that. So anyways, let's just sum up again. CLANGEAR is CLANGEAR. It belongs to the clan. It doesn't belong to you. It's like a overall or like a suit you get from your workplace with the logo of the company on and maybe your name on it, so you think it's your code. But if you like get fired or you leave the job, you just walk off the job, you say fuck it, I'm done, you need to return this overall, this suit, whatever tools they gave you, because it's their stuff. The same thing applies to Celtic Heroes Clan Concordia. And whoever isn't ready to accept that, I for myself wasn't at some time back, but I aged a lot. I became a lot more mature what this topic is about, because I finally accepted that Concordia is the #1 clan for me, and I want to stick with these guys forever. And when I made that decision, I came back to Celtic Heroes, and I never left anywhere else ever since. Kind of makes me wonder, like, I had so many endgame tunes. I really understand that if somebody's like, yo, I don't want to expel all that stuff, I only want to play part-time, do what you like, but I understand the pain behind leveling up again, making a new endgame tune, and working for all that stuff again and again and again, till you finally at a level which is acceptable for you and your ego. I understand that point. I've been there. But it was a year ago, almost a year ago. So now that I'm back full-time playing Celtic Heroes since a while now, I can proudly say I've been in Concordia for over 2 years now, or pushing over 2 years. And I haven't regret that ever since. It's important for you to clear up that question in your head. Do you understand what CLANGEAR is? Do you understand how the game works, how the clan works? And for people that were just like me, like all of you that were just like me, that didn't know how everything worked, you come from rolling, so whatever, I made a video about that called the Concordia Guide, so just watch it. It's helping you, trust me. It also saves you time of avoiding annoying questions in the clan chat all the time. Anyway, so let's talk about the first case of 2 that actually happened. The first case actually involves a guy called Draylord, which has been a general and a banker in our clan, which makes this whole case a little bit more fucked up. And this guy actually left the clan over some drama, over some bullshit he said it's built up over the past years and stuff. Man, I thought this guy was my friend. Look, that's why it feels like an extra kick in the crotch. He does not only help my family clan, it also hurts my personal emotions because he fucks with me directly. Not only do the connection I have with the clan. It's bad, dude, it's bad. It feels bad. Well, he left the clan and he decided to sell the clan gear to another guy called Roswar for real life money. 2 things are important to know. First off, it's against the terms of service to sell gear for real life items or just sell anything for real life money, items, whatever. It's forbidden. The second thing, and that's a big fuck you factor, is that if you leave Concordia, you should return the gear. If you like go on a week break, it doesn't matter, but if you leave for a long time, you should just return the gear and put it on the bank safe, so you leave off or you walk off, take a break with no drama happening. I wish I would have accepted that like a few months back when I left for for a while, but I wasn't like that mature in my head about this whole thing back then. Now I care a lot more, which I just changed from normal caring to super caring. That's why I'm always like bonding on like an emotional people in the clan as well as new recruits, and that's why the second case is gonna be another big fuck you. So this guy sold the gear for real life money. Somebody said $2,000, somebody said $700, but he basically didn't only sell his gear, he also sold the clan out, and that is why he's a fucking bitch. And to clear this up, yes, Roswar has been banned with all the gear. I sent a report in as well, provide some screenshots of him admitting that, which, you stupid as fuck, dude. You fucking admit you buying gear for rid of money. Not the smartest thing to do. In the next step, Railroad is probably get banned as well, so you lose another Dutch Goose set, which we gave him. Which kind of like, it's like a big fuck you to the clan. Like, we gave you that fucking set and you just use it like that? Fucking bitch ass. You don't deserve that set. Dude, you don't. You basically sold us for $700. Bitch ass, dude. Fucking bitch ass. I thought he was a friend of mine, which makes this whole thing like a little bit more douchebaggy. You bitch ass, dude. Fuck you. The second case, which we're going to discuss today, is he did not actually steal clan gear, but he's pulled another like really weird thing off. First off, the guy's called Ilin. I'm not going to spell out his full name, privacy reasons. So Ilin, and read on Dawn. Where do I start? This guy was liked by many, and from this point he joined, I didn't trust him for the first couple of days because I was like, nah, he's gonna leave with some gear. Guess what happened? My mind never fools me. I was right again. Unfortunately. Anyway, so this guy basically got the rank of clansman because everybody liked him. He showed up to some bosses. He'd been at like 20 endgame bosses, which is like a fair way to promote you to clansman rank because you're there for the clan basically. And clansman is like recruit rank, so you just basically start being part of the clan. let's continue on. So Ilin got clansman. Not 10 minutes later, just keep that in your mind, he requested a Blathorn Emmy, a Galley Dagger or Galley Weapon. He was a druid, so on a dagger, a Galley Weapon. EDL main and offhand, and some other like healing rings from Bloodthorn and stuff. I thought you watched my fucking video on the guide to Concordia Clansman, dude. It never happened before. Stupid as shit. At least that motherfucker had the honor to apologize for the whole thing, and he said it. Yo guys, I left before I could steal any gear. My intention was to steal gear. I realized I'm a thief. Screenshots on the display for you right now. Just check it out. Ilin, man, I thought we were friends, dude. I power leveled you and your wife for like an hour straight, dude. I helped you to 220. I was gonna help your wife to 220. I helped you guys with all that shit. You fuck me like that? Not cool, man. It also throws a bad shade on all the other people, which it's gonna be hard for me to trust newcomers now. Type when you watch this, you were always right, dude. You're a fucking man. Anyways, let's continue on with this video. I'm probably gonna find a lot of salty comments, like, yeah, I worked for my gear. Fuck you did, dude. Anyways, so before I stretch this video any longer, this guy basically, he had the honor to leave the clan before he could steal anything. I read the chat between a druid banker and you, man. So you basically got denied these weapons and then you left. It was not like you would not steal anything. So don't make yourself seem like heroic or some shit. You just look like a fucking fool for doing that shit, man. Why, bro? Why? It's like, dude, I thought we were fucking cool and you ended your career the moment you pressed the leave clan button. We don't like that shit here, dude. People always leave the clan for different reasons. Look, number one reason is they quit the game, and usually, like, honorable players will return their gear. Usually. Then again, some people leave for drama and they just want to make a statement, which is, okay, look, drama happens all the time. No matter who, like, we always accept people back and shit. We always, like, friendly to people. Stogie burns bad. Fucking lightsaber, bro. The fucking Iron Man shit. It's 220 and we got some Iron Man shit. Look, it's like a fucking laser fire gun. Holy shit. Continue the video. Anyways. As I'm going through this smoke, this stogie here, I was gonna say this smoke, but it's not just it's a stogie. It's a fucking good stogie. I'm seeking for my coke. Yeah, my coke's empty. Need some more. This video is not meant to throw like arguments or accusations at people. It's just I'm just stating facts here. Roswell got banned means all the rumors, all the accusations of him buying gear was actually true. It happened. There you go. You guys saw the screenshot I posted, and it's not like one of these guys made a fake account and went on Celtic Heroes on a different server, and they just texted each other like and were like, "Yo, this is this guy." No, none of this is a fake screenshot. That's all real stuff. And this was on Discord. The only screenshots I trust right now are on Discord. In-game Celtic Heroes, there's so many Photoshop ways, so many people creating alts and talking in people's names nowadays. Funny story here, funny story. I recently went to, I think, Rhiannon Beach to meet a friend, and I saw a Beetlejuice there. This guy was like, yo, it's me, Dr. Exy. I was like, I'm Dr. Exy. He was like, anybody got some gold? Like, he shouted that to the whole beach area and castle area and whatnot for some YouTube video. Guys, I would never do that shit. Never. Like, why the fuck? I don't need you fucking gold for a YouTube video. I don't give a fuck about this shit. Gold is nothing in this game. It means nothing to me. Nothing. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, I met that guy pretending to be me as well. So I would just really trust screenshots, which if they come from the castle, you see players with names from the server, and then you can kind of trust these screenshots. But there's so many fake screenshots going around on band as well of people setting fake tunes. All that bullshit, it's not happening. But here, this proves that this wasn't fake. The guy got banned for it. And here's a screenshot of him saying he got banned for it. Yeah, I mean, if you're like bragging about breaking terms of service and you're just proud of it, you deserve the ban, bro. Come on. Fucking bitch ass, dude. He had such a big mouth in the castle that night, dude. He was so damn smack talking down our clan, dude. This fills me with joy. You got what you deserved, dude. You got banned. You broke the terms of service. So, fuck you. Anyways, let me just get back to the main topic. If you join a clan, it doesn't matter if it's Concordia or any other banking clan. Accept that your gear is not your gear. Accept that it's clan gear and you only have to give people back the trust they gave in you. It doesn't matter. The gear doesn't matter. Like, gear comes around every once in a while. For example, if you join Concordia, I mean, look at me. I've been here for 2 years. Isn't my account looking good? And yes, I know it could be so much better, all that blah blah blah, but it's gonna come in time. It's that simple virtue of time that it's just not possible for you to get everything right from the start. It doesn't work like that. Okay? And trust me, I understand it's a pain of starting over again, but it's always recommended, if you find a home for yourself, stay in that home clan, be part of that clan, accept the family for what it is. Everybody's friendly. And this is why I just want to give a huge shout out to my clan. The voice chats, especially the last nights, Harry, Cube, Russi, Yuvo, Vamp, all these guys, just fucking awesome, the voice chats. It's been great talking to you guys. I adored it a lot. It was one of the best nights I had on Celtic Heroes. It's just so much more than just reading text on screen if you can connect to people's voice. I like it a lot. It really bonds on a personal level. As well as, this is why I love Concordia's chats. And this is why I recommend you, if you have the chance of joining Conk, do it. Become part of Concordia. But just don't be like this level 1 that just sits in castle. It makes no sense. You can bond with people here pretty quick. People are usually really like, they trust you. They open their fucking arms for you like they're some Jesus, dude. Trust me. But just don't fuck him in the end. And for example, my trust right now in people that are new to the clan is pretty much, it's going downhill. It's going down south. And why? Because of the people that reckon they left, they fucked this, sold our gear, left. Come on, dudes. Like, you're just throwing shades, bad shades on newcomers. Speaking of newcomers, have you guys seen Little Yuvos, which is a clan of ours, YouTube videos yet? You should watch them. I'll link one of them down in the description below. You should watch him. He's good. He's one of the few YouTubers that actually Celtic Heroes YouTubers. It sounds so cringe when I say Celtic Heroes YouTubers, but it is what it is. And he uses his voice in videos, which is, you guys should fucking appreciate that. It's a great thing. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and I guess have a nice evening.
Don't take it so serious. Everything in life is a love story. Don't take it so serious. It shouldn't be so scary, it's a fairy tale. Don't take it so serious.